Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican-style pickle. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh, crisp vegetables such as carrots, onions, and colorful bell peppers. For that signature Jamaican kick, make sure to have Scotch bonnet peppers and pimento seeds on hand. We'll also prepare a simple pickling liquid using white vinegar, water, and a touch of sugar. Now let's get our vegetables ready. Begin by thoroughly washing and then julienning your carrots and bell peppers into uniform, thin strips. Next, slice your onions into delicate rings. For the Scotch bonnet peppers, slice them thinly, but remember to wear gloves to protect your hands from their potent heat. This careful preparation ensures even pickling and a beautiful presentation. With your vegetables prepped, it's time to create the flavorful pickling liquid. In a medium saucepan, combine about 1 1/4 cups of white vinegar with 2 to 3 cups of water. Stir in 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and your pimento seeds. Gently heat this mixture, stirring until both the sugar and salt have completely dissolved, but do not boil vigorously. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully layer your prepared vegetables into clean, sterile mason jars. Once filled, pour the warm pickling liquid over the vegetables, making sure they are completely submerged. Allow the jars to cool to room temperature before sealing and refrigerating for at least 24 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. For other great deals, including a fantastic water bottle, check the description below. Your Jamaican pickle will be ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.